Hi, I'm John, and I'm here again with another Vola video for you. In our last one, we created a race file. This one, we're going to work to loading some people into that race file. And because importing is a whole lot easier than typing everybody in, searching everyone, and since we did have some online registration, we got a lot of data. So let's just take a look at our data. Here we had our age class open, final registration data, and I'm just going to open it up with Excel. We're going to take a look. We're going to take a look here and see what we have for data. This is just a straight download. So they gave us, let's see, FISC number, USSA member number, first name, last name, gender, team, date of birth, when they registered, how much they paid, what they signed up for, and the race ID in our division. And this looks like it's enough to get us going. And you know, one of the greatest features that Vola has is the paste feature. So let's just take and we'll copy this stuff. We can copy everything. We don't have to use it all. It looks like we've got men and women here, which is okay, because I think we're going to put them all in this registration file. And cut them up later. So we've copied that whole thing. We're going to go back to Vola. And here in our competitors, we're going to import. From a file. Now you could name that file here, or you just hit paste. It's not looking too good currently because the separator isn't right. So change the separator. There it is, tab separated. Looks good. Yeah, that first field, that wasn't bib. That was USSA ID. And also we can bring up our header line, hotline ignore. There you got first name, you got last name. Then we got gender. It's going to be their team. Date of birth. Don't really care about this particular case. Entry. No, we don't care about any of that stuff. But gender, we can't have that twice. So we're going to ignore this column. And looks like everyone is signed up for everything. Maybe not. We'll go ahead and put this in. Put this in our day one field, I think, just so we have it. And then import. 179 imported. Great. Now, while our registration did come all online, I'm just wondering if this stuff is correct and if all these people are actually members. One good way to do that is to check them against, we've got USSA IDs for everyone, we can check them against the most current USSA member list. So to do that, we're going to update from a federation file. Now, maybe we didn't have the list, and just in case you didn't know how to do that, to get at your federal competitor list, you can click on that download. Here's our list choice. If we wanted to update this USSA Alpine list, which is our one for age classes, we want to search the internet for the last list. It'll just go down until it finds it. Green light, download the list. We'll go ahead and download it again. I downloaded it once, but just to show how it goes, it downloads that list and you click OK. It installs that list. So we've got the most current list from USSA. There's all the peoples. But again, we wanted to, on the competitor screen, we want to check these people. We're going to update them from a federation file. We're going to update them from that Alpine list. And we're going to be careful. I don't want to change their names. But actually, maybe we will. Make sure that their names are correct. And we'll go ahead and take their year. And we'll go ahead and take their club if that information is available, along with all of their points. Not really much else to take. So you can select what things you want to take and what you don't, and update from the file. And it looks like everybody on this list is not current, which is a problem. And I think the problem is here with their USSA ID. While that does have a valid number, I think it needs their division code. So easy enough to fix. Here we're gonna concatenate. We're gonna give the letter R and concatenate that with their number. Oh, I did see there's a couple of foreign kids. They're not going to show up correctly unless you give them an X. But we got everyone here with an R. Currently, let's just go ahead and paste that. Paste our values in here. So now we got R's for everyone. And here, let's just go ahead and sort this by their foreign. And we'll just make these guys X men, X women. And this one is not. So, cool. Well, now we've got this again. And because it is their ID number, really we're going to have to get rid of everyone and just re-import them. If we weren't changing their ID number, we're just going to delete everybody. We could sort by gender or something else and just delete the men, but we're just going to delete everyone. And now we're going to import from a file. I'm going to paste. We've got everyone already loaded in. We're going to ignore this first line and we'll import them again. So 178, and the last time I imported that header line. So let's just go ahead and try now and update them from Federation file. So now we've updated, imported, and looks like quite a few of these athletes have not registered with USSA as of yet. Well, I'm making this video here in the middle of October, so either the kids have dropped out, aren't skiing anymore, or they're just not going to race. And so we're just going to go ahead and delete everybody out of here that's not current. I'm going to delete. We'll do, let's see, we'll do year. From nothing to nothing. Okay, and that's going to delete those 77 people with no year. Cool. So now we've got our race loaded with competitors. Men and women in the same file. It's okay to use for for this, and you can also get in and do some stuff with waivers. If we did sort this, women, let's see, it looks like they all have signed up for all of the races. So we don't need to worry too much about our day ones and day twos, but we've got that data to play with anyway. And I think we'll cut this one off here. So we imported competitors using the paste function. We downloaded our federation lists, and what else did we do? Cleaned up our race file a little bit with competitors. All right, I'm going to stop this one and move on to the next one in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon.